So, as you know, our paper is going to be of 80 marks with 4 sections. Let us discuss about the first section, which is the prose section. So, your first section in is there are two activities of prose. One is seen and one is unseen. Unfortunately, due to the corona pandemic, there were many speculations and there were many problems. So, only for this exam, the midterm exam, I am going to give you two passages which are going to be seen. So the first passage here is question number 1a, read the extract and complete the activities. So this passage is from section 1 and the passage which is going to come is from first lesson, that is 1.1 and astrologer's day. So total marks for this particular question, that is question number 1a, is 12 plus 4, that is 16 marks. So for example, then A1 question is there of global understanding. So what is there in global understanding? The question will come, choose the appropriate sentences. Means I'll give you one particular sentence and there will be three options to it and you have to just complete the sentence. So for completing the sentence, the answers will be given in the passage. You can read it from the passage. Then the next question is complex factual. The complex factual question will be complete the work. We have already solved this particular activity in brainstorming of this 1.1 lesson. Then next is interpretation, inference, analysis. So there will be a question such as support your answer. I will give you one particular line and you have to find the answer related with that particular sentence or that particular statement from the passage. So next is personal response. So one particular question is there, this is personal response. You have to write the answer. No matter what you write the answer, compulsory attempt it, compulsory write this, because whatever you are going to write, you are going to get marks for that, because it is your response. Just don't write anything absurd, don't write something foolish, but try to write something on your own. Next is language study, two sentences on textual grammar. So whatever grammar we have learned so far or whatever grammar you had learned last year, from that one or two sentences I will give and you have to write it. Next is vocabulary, four words will be given to you and you have to find the sentence. A small table will be given to you. From the table you have to find the answers. So I have already given to you, as you can see here, there are four words such as obscure, which so meaning of obscure is unclear. Then punctual is at the proper time. Next you have sacred, which means holy, and the remarkable means striking. Okay, remarkable means striking. I have given you the answers as well. Look the entire video properly to understand the answers. The next is the activity B, language study, non-textual grammar. So whatever you had studied earlier in 11th standard or what so far grammar which we have been learning in the brainstorming of all the activities or of all the lessons, you have to go through it and understand. There is a do as directed question. I have removed transformation of sentence just to make the paper look easy. So I will try to make the paper as simple as possible. You have to attempt it. Next is spot the error. A sentence will be given to you and you have to find the error in it. Maybe some spelling mistake, some grammatical mistake, or something of that particular kind. This is for section 1 prose for scene passage. So here it is given, it is a textual scene extract. So question number 2a is a unseen passage from this year onwards. So read the extract and complete the activities. Now this particular question is for 12 plus 6 marks, that is 18 marks. But unfortunately we could not cover all the syllabus. So mind mapping will be uploaded soon after the exam. So I am removing this question of mind mapping from your this term's paper. Instead of mind mapping, I have added this, that is language study, that is grammar for 3 marks. As usual, grammar will come from the passage itself. So let us understand, there will be a question, an extract which is outside your textbook. I hope you try to write the answers on your own. Let us see how you are well prepared about it. So first question is again global understanding. Complete the sentence. Passage will be given to you. One sentence will be given to you. Three options will be there. You have to choose the correct option and write it. Next is complex factual. State whether true or false. A sentence will be given to you. You have to state whether it is true or false. There is no need of writing the reason why it is true or why it is false. Next is A3, interpretation, inference or analysis. Again, complete. I will give you a particular web like question, or I will tell you to write a particular answer to those. You will have to find answers from the passage. A4 is personal response. So for personal response, the question is need of human as a resource. For this, you can find at least 4 lines beforehand prior to the exam. Again, you have here language study, 2 sentences on grammar, that is from the passage. And again, I am giving here language study. Many of you will think, sir, again you are giving here B question, language study, grammar again. So this grammar question and this grammar question will be different. Next is vocabulary. Find the meanings from the text. 4 words will be given to you. You have to find the correct meaning of those words from the given text. So last is the language study again. So language study, here the grammar will be something we have studied. Okay, maybe an articles question, maybe some punctuation question, or some question tag question. It can be anything. The next question is B1 here from me. So next question here is the B1, summary writing. Now see here, this language study question is from the passage itself. Even if it is here I have written here B, it is A7. So this question is A7. Next is summary writing. Write a brief summary of the above text. We have already discussed about it. There is one more question on summary writing, but that is in the writing skill, and this summary writing will be related with the above passage. Understand the difference. This summary writing will be from the passage, but there will be one more question which will be there for the writing skill, that is on summary writing, and there is a different passage there. Let's move to the next one. So the next question is section 2 poetry, which is of 14 marks. Understand, it is of 14 marks. So out of that, the first question, that is question number 3A, read the extract and complete the activities given below. The poem which is going to come here is 2.2 Indian Weavers. Answers you will find in the brainstorming question and answers of Indian Weavers. If the link is not sent, I will send all the links, required links, as soon as possible. Next is, and I think also you have them written in your notebook. So first question here is global understanding. Complete the table. Similar manner, a table will be given to you. You have to just complete the table on your personal understanding. Next is interference, interpretative analysis. Describe. So a small question will be given to you and you have to describe. The question may come that describe the 3 colors, importance of 3 colors, or describe the 3 moods, or describe the various garments used in the poem by the poetess. So next is personal response. Express your views on conditions of viewers. I am giving you this particular question here itself, that what question will come for 2 marks, which is there in the brainstorming Q&A. Next is poetic devices. You have to write names of any 2 poetic devices, that is figures of speech, with the supporting lines. All is there present in the appreciation of the poem. So you can write it from there. Next question is A5, creativity. Compose 2 to 4 lines on your own. So wherever such questions are there, okay, you have to attempt that. Try to write on your own. If you leave that place blank, you will get a 0 there. But if you attempt, no matter what you write the lines there, okay, it may have rhythm, it does not have rhythm, don't worry about that, just line. These 2 lines, or sorry, these 4 lines will give you 2 marks. No matter how foolish your answer will seem to you, but you will get marks here, so compulsory attempt it. Next question is question number 3B, appreciation. Critical appreciation of the poem 2.1 Song of the Open Road. So this question you have to do on your own. Now there is no need to write all of them. I will only give some of them. Don't worry about if you don't understand or don't remember the points which you have to write. I am going to give you, out of these 6 points, 4 points will be given to you. Okay, and you have to write them on your own. One of them is poetic devices. So here you have to write names of same answer which you have written here. You have to write the same answer here. About the poem Song of the Open Road, poet Walt Whitman. So this is what you can write. See, theme also you know. So study this properly. This answer will be very short. For 4 marks, how much is required? You write only that much. Okay, let's move to the next type of question. So question 4 is writing skill. So any one out of the three is question number 4A, 4B, 4C, 4D. I have given all of the questions here. For A, there is summary writing. The summary writing is there in the brainstorming question, even from the textbook which has been already uploaded. You have already have the links in your particular groups. You can go through it and study it. B question is a report writing. For report, you have to write a report on 73rd Independence Day celebration organized at your college. So here the C question is prepare a speech on the 73rd Independence Day celebration organized at your college. So while attempting this particular question, first you are going to attempt this question here, and then you can write this, because once you have the speech which is written in the present tense, you can go write the report which will be written in the past tense, which will be easy for you. Then the final is D, review writing. You can do any review of book or movie of your choice. I have given you the liberty of choosing any movie or book of your choice to review. You can follow any format you wish only for this exam. But once we meet, I will give you the exact method of writing the review. So this is the last question, question number 5. This activity is solely on the genre novel. So here the questions will be there already. These questions have been explained in the brainstorming question and answers, which will be uploaded today itself. So question 5 is complete the activities given below as per the instructions. We have only covered one particular point, that is 4.1 introduction to novels and the types of novels, elements of novels, and brainstorming of the novel system. So all the questions, this entire thing will come on that particular point itself. So you have a free hand here. Even you choose the correct alternative and the fill in the blanks will be discussed in the brainstorming. Match the following will be for 2 marks. Pick out the odd elements from the group, that is also for 2 marks. Then the next question is A, true or false. So this you have to, when you will go through the brainstorming and when you will go by both the lectures very carefully, the explanation part and the brainstorming part, you will understand the answers. Then the next is complete the web. Here I'm going to give the web for types of novels. So I will give you one name and you have to complete the remaining three. A total number, many numbers are there, such as realistic, Picaro, picaresque, then historical, epistolary, gothic, autobiography, allegorical, pulp fiction, detective fiction, magic realism, science fiction, then building Grossman, then stream of consciousness for psychological, utopian, and dystopian novels. So there are so many names which you can learn. Next is the elements of novel. This is for 4 marks. And last is write short notes on any 2 marks. I am giving you all the names of the 4 ones which are going to be there in the exam. You have to choose any 2 out of it. So you can learn any out of any 2 from this. And here we end this particular session. Just go through the marks. If you have any doubts, leave it on the group and we will meet again.